Yeah, bro. Which is why you are the one who is to
I have to chase this person.
Yeah, which is why
lead this person. Initiate the
exactly.
day for the day.
Yeah.
Stand strong, stay ten.
Utheni uzimawa nihlele phezu kwesiko njengebhokhwe.
Kodwa ndibhokhwe ndihlele esikweni. Hayi leya. Ithi bathi ndiya-speed and engineer Porsche. Damn. Bro. Hayi leya.
Give me one punchline or line that you can think of now.
Punchline.
Yeah.
You are tears, girl. I can't think
anything, bro. It really doesn't have to be that.
But you listen to music, like hip hop, almost.
Damn. Yo, my mind is blank right now.
Because you're thinking about it so hard.
And I'm thinking about a lot of art. I'm thinking punchline per se, but I'm thinking again as Ziva. Yeah, but
Say
one.
Yeah, say one.
Yo, Adam saying we artist.
Boy, you artistic. Again, I artistic.
Yeah, the funny be icebreaker.
Again, I
Just a line.
Funny.
I'm producer. Goat. Yo.
Yesterday, I went on a date.
Fana. We just saw that now on the status. Yo.
Damn, bro.
I went on a date, man.
How was it?
And I've never been on a date for like... I've never been like on a... I wouldn't say a romantic date or what, but I don't remember.
You deciding to go out?
Me planning to go out with Undwam on a date and eat, chat, and you know, I think also, it was fun, man. It was a good experience. The place we went to, you know, the scenery, the views, the quietness, the sound of water on the side, watching ducks. It was nice, man. And I think the most thing I enjoyed in Ayabo is being able to just sit and have a conversation and just talk about stuff. There was also, I think I was saying this to her also, is Yoruba. Even though we live together, but we don't really get time to just have a conversation or maybe a serious conversation, because during the week, you get seconds, or you come back from work, you are tired, you need to cook, you need to do this, you need to do that. So it was like a perfect, moment to actually speak about that and just to get uba undaweni yena mhlambi with us living together, having my daughter around, things like that. Because nayo umntana but umntana akakekho. So I used that time just to get an understanding about how does she feel about the fact that umntanam is there, so yena like akacingi ngomntana, like akubone. So it was a good time, man. I enjoyed it, and it got me thinking about Excel. We take these things for granted as a much in our relationships. We don't really go out on dates like that. We relationship angalo like asilenze exciting, uthando fuel, keep on fueling this thing. You keep on adding so that you keep it. So I felt like
what do you think, Tamsian Xolo, man? Because the acting and wokuba uthi uhlala naye lo mntu ne and you know, you've wanted to have these conversations now, but now I'm thinking, why do you think a change in a setting or a scenario makes any difference? Like Omyondu would ask, if uhlala naye, why not have that conversation ending? Because
we don't have conversations, ne? It's not like we don't talk about stuff. Yeah, but we do. But I think going out or be away from the environment, yeah, well, like does something, yeah, well, does something to, because now you are here with neglect conversation, neglect setting, you are sitting together, it's either facing each other or kind of besides one another, but you are here, yeah, well, neglect moment and I call anything that is sort of distracting you guys, yeah, well, I call your phone is gone, but there's no time to just take your phone and look at it, yeah, well, like it's just a space, but also going there, it's not like, well, okay, the aim is to go there and you're yeah, but also is to go there and you're
have fun, be together,
and just be together and yeah, well, so I think also being there sort of allows, yeah, well, space sort of allows, because also there are different days, yeah, well,
Yeah, for sure.
it doesn't have to be, because we went to a wine estate.
Okay, nice.
So it's a wine estate.
Hey.
Or Emaplanzi. Yeah, well, like it's scenario. It's like
different.
It's different. It's quiet. It's nice. So we went there. It was fun, man.
So who paid?
Following question, bro.
So who paid the bill?
Who paid?
It's
supposed to pay conversation.
Obviously, I paid for it.
Okay.
I paid, yeah, well.
Yeah.
I was the one who paid.
No
because
way.
I was the one.
Was it also your idea?
Yeah,
Okay,
I was
dope,
the one who
dope.
was like, okay, Papa, I'm thinking, see, I'm there on Saturday. Because this place we've been speaking about. It's somewhere
Okay.
we always wanted to go to. Yeah, but it's a place we always wanted to go to. But yeah, but just to experience that kind of a scenario. So she knows about it, but obviously I'm the one who made the booking. I'm the one who brought the conversation again. And also, I think because she got together. Yeah,
Nice.
So
Anniversary.
also,
I'm only knowing about 2cc. You know, but it's been 2 months now.
Yeah.
Like, I've.
Where were you?
Hey, man. I was not at the office.
Okay.
More often.
Okay.
in like conversations.
Yeah.
As
also.
As
Yeah.
a relationships as serious.
Yeah.
Abazoyi. Also.
Nah, not even Msiana. Also, like the conversation me and you would have, it will be totally different from. I knew, but there is someone, but I don't know. Maybe
You know it was serious.
But I
I didn't know how far or how long it is. Yeah.
Because also I think, Tina, we always speak about
very heavy.
very heavy stuff.
Very heavy stuff.
Okay.
Issues of baby mama.
Yeah,
our
very,
challenges
very,
that we are
very.
facing.
Yeah.
So every time
focus, Baba.
one would come and vent about baby mama. Okay, organic situation with baby mama. Not that Bazimo stuff, but you know. Yeah. So I think conversations with are always around that. Besides everything else that we would speak about music and stuff.
So
But
you paid. The interest is clear. You paid. Go the
And how much was the fee?
Because I'm saying again, after that, I wanna know, if it was the other way around, if she opted to pay, like, do you think it would be the same experience? Would you allow yourself to be part of that, and would you be still that comfortable if she paid for everything?
I mean, I think it would be different if we were still so in a stage where we are sort of
stillness.
pursuing one another, you know. I think it would be a different conversation, you know, regarding that, you know. But now we like in a relationship, you know. We are in a relationship. So I don't think now I would feel some type of way if she were to pay for any of maybe our upcoming lunch dates, dinner dates, or whatever. I would mind that, you know. I don't think I would feel any type of way, you know. But I think if the relationship is still sort of new, okanye umntu is still pursuing this person, I think the effort needs to be put more by the guy, you know. The guy needs to plan this thing, the guy needs to pay. There's no conversation of, okay, I'm thinking of taking you out on a date, but I think we should go 50-50.
Yeah, because if you bring
But
it
why?
up,
Why should it be that case?
no, if you bring it up, my guy, you have to have a way of going around it also. Because remember, you are taking a person from their place of comfort. Okay. And this is not something that they even like saw in their during the day or during the week type of thing.
Yeah.
And when you are basically inconveniencing them, if ever you saying, okay, I want us to go out, but this is how much I can contribute. Because I also, for me, I always go for, especially when I'm in the stage of knowing a person, I always go for things that are free.
Okay.
You see?
Okay.
Yeah,
What do you mean?
Because I don't want to be in that position where now the bill comes, because there was a situation at some point. There was a situation at some point. So there was this person that I was pursuing, you know? And we have known each other for a minute, and I knew her shenanigans and what she was going through and whatever. So it has gotten to a point now where we kind of taking this thing a step further, and then we went out. And even the going out thing was prompted by me, but also I was just hoping that she has something going on.
Okay.
And I don't
decline.
Yeah. You
So,
feel me?
now.
Yeah, I was just trying to be that guy.
Yeah, but
feel
listen,
me?
like effort.
Bro, we go out, and she's like, actually, there's this there's this restaurant in Waterfront that is it's not actually in the mall, but like the Zig Smoker side. It's just in front of the crossing thing.
Yeah.
It's just in front of it's at the corner. I just forgot the name of it. So they do seafood there. Okay. We go there.
Nima, do you have budget?
Bro, do I have budget?
At all,
Joe, I had like 250 on my name. We get there, my guy, and
Damn.
table for two. She's leading the way, and then we get seated. We're chilling here, bro. The only thing I'm thinking about, it's like, but let's see, maybe.
What are we saying?
Hey, the bill comes, bro. The menu comes.
So bro, can you that's
exactly what happened.
bro.
So the menu comes, and then I'm looking at the menu. I'm like, okay, at least there is a meal for 70 rand.
Okay.
Hey, she's looking at a platter, bro.
Damn.
She's like,
This all share.
Way out of my budget.
no, we're not gonna share. She's gonna chow that alone, bro.
It's like,
It's like a platter with calamari, chips, and all these different types of seafoods, you see?
That's over 250 already.
Bro. And then she was like, no, I'm having this. And they still drinks. And then the waiter comes, can I take your drink orders first? I'm like, do you have water? Can I have water so long?
Obviously, we do have water.
And I don't know what she ordered. I think apple ties or something. And you know apple ties, bro. And she got that, and then the drinks come. Fine. We chill. Now the conversation for me, it's a really no longer like cause I'm stressing about this thing. Luckily, bro, I had my nigga on
Speed dial,
bro. I was like, yo, Steve,
Wake me up, nigga.
I'm here, bro, and this is what's happening. Don't ask questions. I'm gonna tell you when we link up.
send.
Just send. And my nigga was like, how much? I'm like, 400 at least. And then he sent it. Then I relaxed. So the twist in that story is that we chow, everything. Cause now I'm like, I'm comfortable.
Yeah.
Pay the bill, we go out. And then when we are on I think we were in town, because this girl is from Khayelitsha. We're in town. And she's like, actually, I'm considering now.
Considering what?
That we should date.
Oh, after.
So I'm like,
After the meal.
so it took you,
Damn, bro.
me taking you out, and for you to consider. I was like, okay, so maybe you are looking at the capabilities.
But Zulu Mfethu, don't you think it's not just about the meal?
Yeah.
Or you affording it.
Yeah.
But you putting effort into making this thing work.
I hear you.
Yeah,
I hear you.
because I think that's the.
But why that effort though? Because I'm understanding, Doba, if ever you love me, or maybe you want to be in a relationship now because you somehow like or love me, right? And that, why should there be anything that's materialistic that would prove that I'm worthy of you loving me? Like if you love me, why should there be effort and jalo? Yeah, well, isn't me speaking to you, me expressing how I feel about you, that effort enough?
But I think Fed it's more than that, man. Fed. Also showing love is more than just saying
it,
well,
yeah.
it's actioning. It's actions, well, things that you do out of love. Well, not just saying this thing, well, man, don't pair it up. But there needs to be ways or things that you do to show this person or to prove. But I think also it is just to fuel this thing, any whether neqala or any qalileyo, for it to keep on uthando luhlale lubhakala.
Keep the spark.
Keep the spark in relationship. So I think now the fact that after she considered you after you went on a date was to show, okay, this guy is actually serious about me. So when they afford for us to go out on a date, rather than this thing of us continuing
Just talking
over the phone and video calling and stuff.
I hear you.
But also the effort of actually let's go out and chill and have a conversation.
But why can't she do the same effort? Like, now, almost at some point, she wants to keep the spark. Why can't she initiate in about, okay, baby, let's go on a date, I'll pay.
But
Why can't she do that?
Ways, like in my instance, this is me approaching. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, for sure. But like I saw something I liked. You feel me? So then also that then gives me more or less like an overall power to say this is how we move. This is what should happen. And on her end, maybe it's just for her to agree or disagree in certain things. But the minute I approach, then I have full control of when are we going to the date? Are we gonna go to a date?
Yeah.
You feel me? Unless she approaches me, then she must have something in plan as well. But also in that case as well, I need then to be that guy that says, oh, actually that I see that you are really into me. I should be able to say, actually, like, I can reciprocate, let's go out. What do you think about this? So me talking about free dates, it was not of that situation, but it was also, for me, it's of the fact that a person can see you out of what is being said or what is a norm. You feel me? Like on social media, most we see, but like now like off recent when it was Valentine's, people were now having an expectation of you need to give me so much stamps of roses. You feel me? So now if ever I give you 5, it means I'm cheap. If I give you 1,000, it means that I'm bowling. You feel me? So
I
now
don't give you at all.
also it's another conversation. But if I say to you, on Saturday, let's go for a hike. That's when I'm gauging that this thing for you, it's really not about the aesthetics of being in a date or being on a date with me, but like you are taking care of yourself first, but also you see the value of trusting this guy to take you into this journey, whether it's a fruitful one or not, but like it's something that you are up for. It doesn't mean that the only time we're gonna go out, it's us having to be on the table for two.
I think in Nomfetu viewers, Tina, as men, we need to understand that also we firstly we are leaders. In a relationship, we need to assume that role and responsibility of being a leader within the relationship. Tina, we like to chase. We chase. We don't like being chased. If a girl or a woman is chasing you, they need to know that as much as noba ngamhleka ngakanani athini, but the fact that she is the one chasing you.
But why though? Why is that a problem?
Indalo mfethu.
It's not a problem.
Like indalo njani?
It's not a problem, Jayam, but
Like
it's something that
law
is
is that? Whose rule is that?
How many relationships have you
been chased on?
That success.
Kaloku
Okanye where someone uve kuthiwa umuntu uyakufuna. Ubani bani uyakufuna. And then you go for that. Like yasebenza lo way.
Kaloku aba bebandifunayo kuye kwenzeka ixesha elininzi uba ingabi izo type zabo.
Exactly kaloku. Exactly.
Into ofuna itype yam.
Soze ngifuni itype yakho.
Ozifuni.
Because when itype yakho uyibona ngokwakho. Nguwe uyibonayo, then you go, it's either you go for itype yakho.
Yeah, bra, but kuyenzeka nje uye kwitype yakho like ungasokoli at all. Ayithi loo nto leyo good ekuthetheni. The problem means this person also sees the same thing oyibonayo kuye.
That's because women like to be chased also. They are not chasers. Which is why you are the one who has to
I have to chase this person.
Which is why
lead this person. Initiate the
exactly.
day of the day. Fuck.
That's what needs to happen.
I think that's how because I remember icon in the trend with socials about what you bring on the table. Right? And I think girls and females came with was I bring ibele on the table. Now if you think about it, like honestly, as a guy, what else could you bring on the table if it's not money, if it's not leadership? Can you bring that alone? Can you bring your dick alone and still make the relationship work?
You need to bring leadership.
Leadership.
You need to bring
That's
direction.
monetary.
Not even monetary, but you need to bring leadership within the relationship. You need to be in the leading position. You need to lead so that Lomnu can either submit to you or take care of you. Angafuni naye uleader. Like it mustn't feel even kuye oba she needs to assume a responsibility of being a leader within the relationship. Yes, she will have other responsibilities. Now you will have your own responsibilities within the relationship. So I think in fact to this conversation of what are you bringing to the table, I think, maybe that's just one who bring it better to the table. I would say that and other things.
So
because in Namfetu,
bring the bell.
because in
I need to suck on something.
So I need someone to be submissive to me. Not to uzoguqa but I need that will cook a nice meal for me. But not that I can't cook, but I need to You know, mfethu uyokufila nice mfethu uphekelwa mfethu ngumntu wakho yabo with love yabo ningakhange because nami there are things endizenzayo endlini where I say okay sayifaka iwashing emathinini yoneke ndithini I do all those things I assist but it's nice when she is leading kwela cala yabo it's nice it doesn't you know because also women need to be feminine they need to bone
It was soft.
not to say soft in fact, but embrace their feminine side as women. That's so we need la warmth, la touch. Also, because also when we make a decision of buying something endly within a household, a woman needs to identify as this is the okay. Actually, we need in even though the husband, okay, I will pay for this. Okanye ndizawubhatala into eninzi yabo okanye I'll pay more of whatever yabo okanye if you're contributing I know I will even if
Contribute more.
But does that consider about pay malini when pay malini yena? Like, cause one day I think about speaking of leadership and me having to, contribute more. Do we concede in Doba Lombi gets paid 20K and I get paid 5K, 6K? Shouldn't she then be the one that contributes more if she gets paid more?
I think that's another issue that we...
Because in the last time, I think Nidichi has got him very quick.
Yakotola chief.
Yo, bro. The conversation then.
Yakotolisa, I suppose it makes you hot, coach.
Bro. Because the Buzanje, because I think I've spent some time denying ezinye izinto. I think I've been fortunate, especially in relationship Nuguyo, to have someone that's willing to go all out in a relationship and to do anything and everything. I mean, is all she did.
You know
why? But
it's because she's your girlfriend.
Okay.
When you are dating someone that you are in love with and they are in love with you, those positions are really not a struggle.
Okay.
The fact that I'm earning so much and you're earning so much and then we need to now meet up at a certain point. But if you are dating someone that you are chasing, then you're gonna feel that. Because now that person is gonna fold their hands and you would have to assume everything that is happening in the household. But if you are dating your type and you are dating your person and they are dating you back, bro, you're gonna wake up on some, hey, I thought of this. Go to Indawetile and then I got this for you. Or do you have money for lunch? No, I don't. And then 5 Clipper comes in.
Bro,
Because,
that's what happens.
yeah, because that's a person that is certain that you are in love with them and they are in love with you.
But
bro.
just long I think mhlawumbi it's the mindset, I don't know. And it's something I'm trying to work on. But what that does is in the end, at some point, I think I need to, cut this short. Because I feel as though maybe I'm not keeping up with the pressure. Because now this family pressure, if she decides, we go out, and that's something she thought of, right? And she would be like, okay, man, let's go. I don't really know where we're going. So obviously now I'm not expecting anything. And then to my surprise, okay, this is this, we're going here. Like, okay. Now at this point, I'm go prepared, Even if they see it and if we had a conversation, I still feel I wouldn't afford it. Because I'm fucking broke at this point. Now, having to do that. Now, I need to do it. Now I can only afford Uber, must take it. That's a weird example.
Isn't it less from what she is?
Exactly. So then I'd rather not do it. Because then now the level is not the same. Angwazi uba umntu ondikhwelisa iUber mna ndimkhwelisa iphela. Like there's that gap.
But then like this was there a conversation of how much you are getting paid and how much is getting paid? Do you know?
Bro, I don't know, but I can tell. I can
But
tell.
But it's
also
more
another
than
thing,
what you are earning.
Yeah,
but
bro.
also
And,
another thing is that, sorry to cut you, bro. Also another thing is that women manage money way differently than
bro,
us.
better food.
Like I know a girl that works at ShopRite. Is it ShopRite? Yeah. That like she managed to do a lot of things at her place without any assistance from a man or from
Are
her
you
parents.
sure about that?
Yeah, I'm very sure. Very
Because
positive.
she doesn't buy alcohol, she doesn't buy weed. Or
With her money.
With her money.
Exactly. So their way of doing things, bro, it's totally different from us. With us, when we want to go all out, we go all out because our idea. Because also, I don't know, man. I think it comes from the fact that we like to build. You feel me? So with building, then comes the idea of comfort. It needs to feel a certain way for us to be in a certain position. So I need to do these things. But am I having a budget, for instance, for a month, that this is what I'm paying, this is what I'm gonna do, this is okay, cool. Let me put aside 500. We're only gonna do this thing in 6 months' time. We don't do that. We wake up when it's that 6 months' time and we're like, fuck, now we need to do that
this.
thing. And she's been planning, bro. Because you would find, Yani, like your woman is really earning like good, yeah, but relatively good. Not like extremely
Like,
good,
yeah, there's
the
a
way
huge
that you're
gap.
thinking.
Yeah.
But it's just that she's on her ball about her money.
But in terms of responsibilities, when I was because I know like you have kids, right? And you don't have kids together. So there are also those responsibilities that you need to take care of when.
Excuse
Because I'm trying, but as much as when we think about
because ndithe lo mntu ndinabo abantwana yabo I knew into yoba akanabo abantwana yena akanamntana so now it's like ngoku ndiza with a burden I'm an excuse into yoba actually I can't afford this because I've got kids. Then why fucking date if you have kids and you won't afford?
Bro. I think it's important now, but because that's something important for you, and so that's not something you can just neglect or put on a hold because you want to do this with this person. And I feel like she needs to understand that. Women in general in relationships, they need to understand. Even abanye mhlambi banazo responsibilities that they need to take care of. But I think between men and women, I think with men we assume many responsibilities compared to women. But I also agree with Uzulu when it comes to them managing their money better than us. Because Tina, we lead, we initiate, we do younger way. So imali yethu we put imali yethu into a lot of izinto and at the same time we want to go out namajita I feel like one needs to prioritize. It's either you are in a clear relationship and you do, if you want to drink with your partner because ngoko xa uzofuna uyenza with your partner and still do it namajita you're losing a lot.
But what does that say emajiteni? Because ngoku I remember we had a problem nomngani wami and I think it's something related to that because now umngani uthe wojola nalo mntana so they would do exactly that mhlawumbi nxa short basele boyithunda imete yakhe phaa kuye so it's always with imete yakhe now obviously yazenzela engqondweni yethu because engqondweni yethu like the fuck this nigga
Tswala ngombumlo umntu.
and ke ngoku nalawe yoba kaloku besicela umnqayela nathi umshit yabo so the fuck is wrong ngoku ndekaka yemethu ngoku uyayibona ezabe ezinje because ngoku the next thing ezakwenzeka uzokohlukana nalo mntana yabo asikhali lo way but izakwenzeka and then you're gonna come back yabo nanga zinto zakuya
bitter, bro.
ba ngalona nam uyayibona
Phindela phuphu vele.
yeah because here's the thing and then I noticed I think when ndithetha ayazi izolo ngento yotywala yabo. So uyandifonela imate ba you close to a mall, so can you come back with this? There's this special savannah and whatnot.
Sure.
Yeah, boss. So can you bring me this? It's like, okay, I can do that because I'm close. Now I'm thinking, while we're doing this, so she's asking, so what are you gonna have? Yeah, bo?
Yeah.
You can also buy yourself a beer or something. Like, okay, I'm good. Now I'm thinking, can't say shop, hey, lo mntu lona probably has uno brother bakhe baphaya. Yeah, boy, and there's other guys abezisebenza phaya, so bahleli bonke. So I'm like, okay. Now if I bring one beer for me, because she's like specify, no, you can just have your own stuff. Abanye, they have their own. I'm like, hey, operating systems they're not the same.
They're not the same.
Because for bona, it's easy ukuthi dizane washes amezi 3. Then come join you guys and then this selel. But for us, it's weird about it washes 2 and these are mine. Yabo, kukhona amanye amajita ahleli apha, yabo. So that setup, I think nalento imali mhlawumbe goes to that because ngoku you're thinking njengoba xa ndiselayo I also need to make sure that other people as well are part of this. Yabo.
I feel like we need to understand, like there's growth in having a partner. There are things that you used to do, you no longer do much of. More especially, like having a partner also is not just having someone that you call over to come and take over, but it's having someone that you want to do stuff with, you do things with. So seeing how much that we need to understand that. And also, because also Bandu, they come, like we meet people in Fetu that are way different than people we had before. And they come and bring a lot of change into your life. And you see things differently, your life in your. So it's important for us to understand that. But when I am who hasn't got kwesa stage okanye ongekamfumani i-partner that is ngolu hlobo ndilicacisayo, how do we understand? And it's okay for me to say, okay, amajita ngoku, I won't see amajita as I used to see them. And it's okay. Because also there's good in that. Because doing things with your partner, because not to say I was a like cancela kakhulu, even drinking is not like a thing that I would do like weekend is landelelana or anything like that. But even ngoku xa ndisela with my partner sihleli endlini, I drink less, bro. I spend less on alcohol. I drink less, I spend less. If I've bought a bottle ethile, I will drink that bottle. Now, when you weekend is off, so doing things with our partners is very important. Also, yes, to sort of tone down and sort of
to say
so I think it's important like that in fact. But it's okay, man. Ungabina get together namachik. It's okay.
I think I speak for a lot of guys that is out here. Part of us being guys and being just amachita is informed by amachita as well and being part of amachita. And especially you don't want to be far from amachita. You actually want to be close to them. Because any shit that happens, amachita would have your back. And especially if you've gone like quite a journey with amachita. And now any change, yes, it could be good, could be growth, but any change that in some way neglects amachita, in some way it seems as if it's saying all of that journey was bullshit. In fact, you guys, you were slowing me down. And now that I've seen light through Lemeti, and therefore I no longer see you guys as very important in life in Wam.
But when of viewers, also what is important is that with the people that you are friends with, it's people that need then to understand, or it's people that need to be open to the idea of, as human beings, besides gender, we grow. You have met people before, bro. You have had like close friends. I remember my close friend Bobo, when he went to the mountains before me, a lot changed. And I felt some type of way, but I had to understand that now he's different. But does that take away from the fact that we had this journey? No. So it's also important that you get to that understanding of these people, this is what they served in my life. And this is unfortunately where it needs to change. Like for instance, hey, what's happening now?
I think uvuleke fan there.
Yeah. Is it bad? It's not bad, man. Yeah, so as I was saying that, like, there are a lot of friendships, bro, that you're gonna unfortunately have to forfeit for your own good, especially if it's something positive, bro, especially if it's something that is contributing in your life. Because Umdoktanai would always support in the grand that is coming into your life. Because for instance, take the same scenario and say, hey Majita, the scholarship, I'm going back to school in Zotlaleres. Would now they will be like, hey, now you are neglecting us more, like without you. Yeah, so it shouldn't be in a matter of, because now I'm spending more time with this person, it means that I'm no longer with you, James. I feel like with such, like, we can always find a balance between having a friendship that is of positive benefit and having a friendship also that this is vibes. I remember this one time Siana was saying, but even with us, there are things that he knows that I can share this with this person. I can share this with that person. So it kind of goes the same way also with the kind of friends that you have. You can't expect them having to like be part of your life holistically, like on every level. Especially if now you are introducing a person that you hold dearly in your heart. Them, they just need to support you and trust that this is good for you. Yeah, also, if bro, like, for me, if something is positive, it's benefiting me rather positively, I really don't see anything or anyone that can come in my life and say, I don't like this for you. If I see that this thing is doing good. I remember talking about that with this whole thing of me doing clothes. So this other person I was with, she was like, hey, I don't like the fact that you post girls that are wearing your clothes. And I'm like, okay. Yeah, bro.
The fuck?
And I was like, hey, if this means that our relationship is gonna end because of this, it should end. Because you found me doing this thing, and for me, this is my bread and butter as well. Like, God forbid, if this job doesn't work out for me anymore, this is what I need to go back to. So if now, for the sake of our relationship, you just got here, bro. I've been doing this thing since 2017. You just got here, so you can't really dictate that. You can suggest maybe, yeah. And then I will also understand where you're coming from. But me posting them, what does it do to you?
And the suggestion shouldn't be based on the fact that you don't like it.
You feel me?
Like, what the hell is that?
So you need then to make those decisions and tell yourself that, you know what, this is where it ends for me. If this is how our relationship is going to be, or our friendship is going to be, it needs to always favor you instead of us. Then it means there is something wrong.
But I think I'm also thinking of the fact that how we define a friendship sometimes is also influenced or, impacted by the experiences in our relationships as well.
For sure.
Like, we've seen guys as it equals a relationship, and for lack of a better word, I'd use forget amachita. And in most cases, the relationships end. We don't like that, but they do. Yeah. And yengoku, sometimes not in a good way. Sometimes they made it shits or some shit happens. Yeah. And yengoku, the only people that's gonna be there are the same people that were there before the Lemeti. I think that fear yengoku, ish, bro, if I distance myself too much, how sure am I about the end of this is gonna really last? Yeah, but then where do I come back to should this not work? They understand. So I think that's where fear comes from.
Yeah, but I think the question should be in the before, like Namachita, in Namachita, before this person came into my life. Yeah. Now, if there was nothing of much value that I was doing Namachita, yeah, it makes sense for me to be sort of distance myself from Amachita, because now if value in on this side and this person has changed how I see life, how I think about life, how I think about the relationships and stuff like that. Yeah, but because you get someone and say, oh, actually, yeah, well, this, I can do certain things with this person. Yeah, well, I can do this with this person without even feeling that is forced. I am forced to do. Yeah, well, because in some relationships, they like women always know their worth. I know I deserve this. They always point out stuff that you are not doing right. And you end up feeling like, okay, I'm not going to do this thing because I feel like I'm forced to do it. Like in fact, I think that's why I'm saying El Gamalita Machita, to me, yeah, well, Lina more negative than positive. Yeah, but in terms of what we do when we gather, what we say when we gather, the conversations we are having, I mostly and most of the time are not conversations as akhayo, as amashit. Yabo, because umchito uzawuthetha no bendibene nalamnani izolo, ndamdibana naye wayapha kum, don't. Ubone, it's like ubone, ayo conversation oba you lo sisi ndibene naye ngokuhango siso grandi don't emashiteni iyabhora loo nto most of the time. Yabo, so I think we need to shift conversations esibanazo namashit, because also when I speak about usisi, yabo, my partner, and say you lo sisi ndiyamthanda and she's different in this way and this way and this way, amashita should encourage me to keep that person. Yeah, but to have a good.
And I'm that one nigga.
Yeah, but
I'm that one nigga.
Amachita should encourage me. Yeah, but Amachita should understand when city I won't be able to do in basic planner we ends up because we are planning this nonsense. Amachita should understand that it shouldn't be in the yoba. Umchita ngoku nale methi yabo ngoku ixesha lethu naye, like ubona mfethu, that's my point that I'm trying to get across. They should embrace the growth, the change, yabo, because maybe bendingu-fuckboy okanye I was just going into relationships for vibes, yabo. But now I understand, well, okay, kukho into ekuthiwa zii-dates, I need to go on a date. Yabo, I need to do stuff that will fuel my relationship. I need to do this and that. I think detachment from my friends that I used to have came from that, because now they are cooler. I think different. I read books. I speak about people that are doing good in life. Like I'm motivated by that we never speak about. So low conversation, ibe foreign. Yabo emachitini, yabo bayahamba uthetha ngento ezininzi ngoku uthetha like even the conversation of consent, yabo, when you speak about, because kuyathethwe like bakhona i-chats bakuconversate kuthethwe uba umntana othile ndadibana naye izolo phakathi kulaa play kusahamba. When you ask about these things emajiteni uqonda uba they frown upon that because now your thinking and your narrative like here change because you grow, you go into spaces where you learn and unlearn certain things about yourself and feel like, okay, this is how I need to do things. And when you bring that to Emachideni, like it's something that is foreign. Yeah,
I understand.
Yeah, understanding. I had a lot of friends, but I'm telling you, friends I would say, like friends outside this space, like outside you guys and one of the people that I grew up with, there are few that I'm talking
Still
to.
in
or
talks
that
with,
I'm
yeah, but the
still
friends are-
actively in contact with. Yeah, so goes back to what Uzulu was saying. Like, it's okay. You can't be friends with someone like forever, bro. Yeah, bro. So that's just my take on that.
Okay.
Yeah, bro.
Okay. I'm also taking on Adam Sianendoba. It's not entirely one. It's not a wrong thing to grow. You know, that's what I'm getting to, and from this conversation, I'm also getting, which I really loved, Siana, from when we mentioned Ndoba. Maybe we need to change conversations. Maybe you don't need to abandon Amachita. We just maybe try and shift the conversation within, because we do have a conversation. It's a good thing that we have the conversations, but what are we conversating about? Yeah, but it's really helping us. Because I remember there's one song, I think Usaud in Java, they're also part of that song. Yeah, but there's a line, it had about friends, I think Abangan. Yeah, there's a line Usaud, yeah, it had Umama used to tell me about the friends, warn me about friends. Yeah, but I'm glad I didn't listen because I'm here because of those same friends. You understand? So friends could be good people. Friends could, channel progress in the right direction. But maybe if we just put in a twisted heel in the type of conversations we have. Yeah, but like for instance, consent is a huge thing. Very, very different from what we know as gens. As a result, how we conversate about it is informed by what we know consent is. Yeah, but I think another failure from Guti Damsiana is I know this information, I have this information, I don't share Namachid. Because Nalanduba, Namachid, I won't understand this.
We don't reprimand one another. We cheer for
nonsense.
You hear your friend talking nonsense or talking crap and you cheer for that. So I feel like we don't reprimand one another. We allow stuff. Even we have friends that are in relationships. And umchita, all girlfriend it's not okay.
Not good, yeah.
But you don't reprimand your friend. You don't tell them, by example, this is not okay. And we still be friends with these people. We say we have values, but we let people into our spaces. Against abenza
that are out of our values.
We believe in and we see as.
So we stand for nothing.
We stand for all, dog. To be honest. We need to tell one another classicians are wrong. Don't just listen. Girlfriend, I always question your side, your part into this. I hear this, but don't you think?
What are you not doing?
That's how we need to do the things with it. Umuntu allow umuntu umvumela uba hayi right le way ayithethayo, or but ufuneka naye umbonisa uba no nje actually you were wrong phana. So you need to do different. So that's what we are not doing as Amajita, which is why nisithi eligama lamajita like
connotation is wrong.
Yeah, more than positive.
It should give a positive connotation if you think about it, Tamsiana, because ubangumchita would literally mean you are a guy, but a very casual guy, not in a formal way. So we're not acquaintances, we're friends, we're brothers. That is the connotation. But now as we're having conversation, I'm thinking, probably one of the reasons why we don't do as reprimand ourselves, because we don't really take ourselves as really brothers, as Sisichotin. Because andikwazi ukuyeka as brother yam ndikwazi senze nonsense. But why do I do that to a friend that I call that's brother yam? You understand? Zulu, maybe you want to wrap this up?
Yeah, I think, yeah, without saying much, I think Tina, we are good friends, and I hope to see you on the next episode. Other than that, that was Inner Gen Podcast. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alrighty.
Inner Gen speak truth. Real pain, real truth. Stand strong, stay ten. Healing boys into men. From the dark we rise. No fear in our eyes. Lost boys find hope. Now we learn how to